The MacBook Pro has always been about power, precision, and performance. And now, a new version is on the horizon. Apple's upcoming M5 MacBook Pro is already building buzz. Leaks and rumors suggest it could be the most powerful MacBook ever. But is it really a huge upgrade, or just another hype cycle? Let's break it down. The M5 chip, Apple's next power move. At the heart of the new MacBook Pro is the M5 chip. It's expected to be built on TSMC's 3nm process. That means better performance and more power efficiency. Early reports say the M5 will deliver a 20 to 25% boost in both CPU and GPU performance over the M4. This isn't just for everyday use. It's built for professionals, people who edit 4K video, build apps, train AI models, or run complex simulations. More power, less heat, better battery life. That's the promise. Faster RAM. LPDDR6 joins the party. Apple may also upgrade the RAM to LPDDR6. This next-gen memory brings faster data speeds and higher bandwidth. That means better performance when juggling big apps like Final Cut, Xcode, or Blender, all at once. It's also great for AI workflows. With on-device AI getting more attention, faster memory matters. This could be a key upgrade for anyone building or using machine learning tools. Storage and thermal tweaks. Apple is likely to keep storage options up to 8 terabytes. But the read and write speeds could get even faster. That's good news for video editors, photographers, and developers working with huge files. And here's something else. Cooling. The M5 MacBook Pro may include a vapor chamber system. That would mean better thermal control and less performance throttling under heavy loads. It's the kind of update you don't see, but definitely feel. Refined design, familiar look. Don't expect a full design overhaul in this model. But Apple could make small, smart improvements. The aluminum body stays, but with better screen hinges. That means less wobble when typing or working on the go. New finishes may also arrive, like midnight blue, titanium gray, or even graphite black. Bezels could get thinner. The front display might feel sharper and more modern. It's not flashy, but it keeps the MacBook Pro feeling premium and ready for the future. Display tech. Mini LED still leads. Some users are hoping for OLED, but it's not time yet. That's likely coming in 2026. The M5 MacBook Pro will stick with Mini LED. And that's not a bad thing. You'll still get true HDR support, high brightness and contrast, excellent color accuracy, 120 Hz promotion for smooth scrolling and playback. For creators in video, photo, and design, this display still ranks among the best. Connectivity gets smarter. Wi-Fi 7 is coming. One of the biggest silent upgrades might be Wi-Fi 7. This is next-gen wireless. It offers faster speeds, lower latency, better stability. For remote work, cloud editing, and heavy online collaboration, this is a game changer. It makes the M5 MacBook Pro even more future-ready. No more dongle life. Ports are back again. The M5 MacBook Pro will likely keep the full port setup. That means MagSafe charging, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, full-size HDMI, SD card slot, 3.5mm headphone jack. It's everything a pro needs. Whether you're connecting a camera, monitor, mixer, or memory card, you're covered. Launch timeline and pricing. So when is it coming? Most signs point to late 2025 or early 2026. That fits Apple's usual cycle. Internal upgrades 1 year, redesign the next. As for price, the 14-inch M5 MacBook Pro may start at $1,999. The 16-inch model might begin at $2,499. A fully maxed-out version could go beyond $3,500, depending on your storage and RAM picks. Yes, it's premium. But for users who demand long-term value and performance, the price may be worth it. Should you buy or wait? So here's the big question. Who should buy the M5 MacBook Pro? If you're a video editor using Final Cut or DaVinci, Developer compiling large projects in Xcode. Music producer working in Logic Pro with tons of plugins. 3D artist using Blender. Photographer managing thousands of raw images. Then the M5 is built for you. It offers speed, power, and future-proof features in one machine. But what if you're a student? Or just doing light office work? If that's the case, the current M2 or M3 MacBooks are still excellent. You'll save money and still get great performance. What about the 2026 redesign? There's one more thing to consider. Apple is reportedly working on a full redesign for 2026. That may include OLED displays, thinner chassis, even better cooling, possibly a haptic keyboard, and new AI-powered macOS features. So if you're more excited about looks than specs, it might be worth waiting a little longer. Final thoughts. The M5 MacBook Pro isn't just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be one of Apple's biggest leaps in performance, connectivity, and professional utility. It may not look very different, but under the hood, it's a powerhouse. For content creators, developers, and anyone who wants their next laptop to last, this could be the one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe for more tech breakdowns, buyer guides, and future Apple leaks. See you in the next video.